All right, we gotta go this way. See where it says bikes, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. This way. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, they ride that way. So we're gonna ride this way. Ready? What is up, everyone? Back out on the trails today. Back at Talking Rock Nature Preserve. Got my boy with me. His first time riding trails. He's gonna learn. He's gonna try to get some decent riding in today. So you'll be seeing him a little bit here in a little while out front. Good, kiddo? Good? What happened? You all right though?
Yeah.
Would you flip over your handlebars?
We're going to have to adjust them because they can go up and down.
Okay. Did you flip over them?
When I hit it, I went like that.
Oh. Well, when you see a rock like that, you got to try to pop your front tire up into a little bit of a wheelie to get over it so that don't happen. But you good? Ready to keep going?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Used to be an old hunting blind. Starting to get a little braver, getting used to the trail now. Starting to get a little faster and faster. That's fine. It'll humble him quick enough. Yeah, just go straight. Nope, this way. Yep, now we got uphills to deal with. That was one lap around John's Trail at Talking Rock Nature Preserve. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this was Thor's first mountain bike ride, and as you've seen in the video, his bike's really not a mountain bike. It's just a basic, you know, bike that you ride around every day. But I don't want to go buy him a mountain bike yet until we find out if he's gonna like it, and he really enjoyed it, so we'll probably start looking for him a mountain bike. But probably heard in the beginning of the video, he crashed off into the woods, and so come over here and tell him what happened. So why'd you end up crashing? What'd you do?
We were going down this hill and I hit the rock and I fell.
And so he hit the rock and it pushed his tire, and he kind of flew off into the bushes a little bit, but he was fine. He got right back on his bike, kept on pedaling, and then as you've seen in the video, the further down the trail we got, he started getting a little braver and braver, and he started going faster and faster. So a couple more laps around John's Trail, since it's a pretty easy ride. A couple more laps around John's Trail, and then we'll take him over on the other side of the road and put him on some of the more technical stuff. None of that stuff on the other side is extremely technical, but the downhill sections on that side get a lot faster, a lot more flowy. So just want to make sure he's good. You know, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen to me. It's gonna happen to him. We're eventually gonna eat shit pretty hard one day, but until that happens, we're just gonna try to prevent it. But you did a good job out there today, kiddo. You kicked ass, and that'll be it for this one. We'll catch you guys on the next one.